Most beautiful places in Egypt. First, the White Desert, with its surreal chalk formations, looks like another planet. Then there's Siwa Oasis, an emerald paradise nestled in the desert. Next, the colorful Nubian villages along the Nile, pure visual poetry, and the Red Sea's vibrant coral reefs are a scuba diver's dream. After that, the mesmerizing rock temples of Abu Simbel, absolutely breathtaking. Also the majestic Mount Sinai, where history and nature converge. Finally, the serene beauty of Fayum's lush landscapes will leave you in awe.